PETA, which means People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals, is an organization that defends the animals' rights all over the world. It was founded in 1980 with its headquarters in New York. They are against the factory and fur farms, animal testing, and the use of animals for entertainment. It is not an exception, they are opposing to the use of animals for medical research. There are many reasons for this thinking, and these are: the diseases that are artificially induced in animals in a laboratory are never identical to those that occur naturally in human beings. So, their experiments' results will not be correctly interpreted and applied to the human condition. This process is a waste of time and money, and, of course, unreliable, because there is not enough information to prove the final results. Most of the money that people pay in taxes, charitable donations, and purchases of lottery tickets goes to fund experiments on animals. Most of the people, of course, don't know that this is happening, and it's impossible for them to obtain the complete information about the animal experiments that are being carried out in their communities. It is not fair that they have to pay for something they disagree. There is an organization called the Federal Animal Welfare Act, or AWA, that forces the experiments that are carried out in animals for medical research to provide them pain relief or veterinary care. But these federal laws are not being fulfilled, and scientists treat these animals worse and worse. There is no regulation in the laboratories for the experiments. There are alternative ways to animal testing. There are research with human volunteers, sophisticated computational methods, and vitro studies on human cells and tissues. There is no need to use animals for cruel experiments when there are other ways that don't hurt them. Even if they have to use them, there are safety ways to do it that also can be used in human beings that volunteer. Actually, I agree with PETA in the two last reasons. I have no way to prove that experiments that are carried out in animals are unreliable and don't work in humans, or if our money goes to this cruel testing. But I can say that the AWA in veterinary is a very important and ethic law that is used by the vets. If the animal testing is necessary, we should do our best to be good with those animals. They must be felt loved and free from fear when they die. Also, I can say that there are other ways to continue with our medical research without hurting anybody. We should improve them, and they could be the best future we are looking for.